Today is truss day. Trusses are here on the truck, and you can see behind me the trusses are labeled. This is a little planning process. Top, middle, bottom. The trusses have to get up on the deck in an order, because when it's time to roll the trusses, we'll see that later, you want to have the first truss you need to the outside on the top of the bundle. We'll roll them right out and start setting them up on their layout sheet. They bring up the bundles one at a time, they position them, so we'll be ready to roll the trusses. We're going to get this whole truck unloaded here in about the next hour or so. There's some pretty big trusses in here. There's some girder trusses in here. We'll take a look at those when they come up. And when we get these on the roof, take about a day to put these in place, get them properly spaced and braced, and then we'll start sheeting the roof. Deck joists we put in yesterday. These are 2x12 Doug fir. If you notice, well, you can't probably tell, but we have 1.5 inches of slope on these from the rim joist up against the house out to the outside edge of the beam. That 1.5 inch slope, we're going to tile this deck. There'll be a waterproofing program that'll go on this too. We want to make sure that the deck has a little bit of slope to it, just so the water will drain off the deck. The joists, deck joists, hang onto a rim joist up against the house. Behind the rim joist, we have 2 layers of a kind of a rubber product called Nervistrol, which is a waterproof protection product that we put behind the joist as it snaps up against the house. Trusses are continuing to be boomed up to the roof. We're going to get them spread out throughout the day. Right now, there's a big girder trusses have to come in right behind us up on the top wall. That's going to actually support other trusses. They actually come in, lay into the girder truss. That's how we're going to distribute the load out to the perimeter walls, as opposed to having to set up on the interior. So we're going to keep booming the trusses up on the roof several more hours, and then the guys can start standing the trusses or rolling the trusses one at a time.